Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our Master the Art of Safety Observation series, in which we are improving our skills in noting down professional level safety observations. These observations are generally referred as a informal inspections and part of daily routine work of our site HSC team. These observations are intended to identify any minor deviations in our system so we can correct them immediately to ensure the effectiveness of our HSC system. So let's go and see what observations our team found today, how they documented and reported them. This observation is categorized as a high risk, labeled as a material excavation collapse and fall hazard. Same are the hazards here. Immediate causes, unsafe act, unsafe conditions, both are present there. So what is the issue? So it is basically multi-layered critical hazard observation. At our work site, we have implemented a very comprehensive standards approved by the client. And as per these standards or procedures, excavation edges must be kept clear minimum of the 3 feet at all the times. And no stacking or height of the stacking will exceed the height of the barriers placed there. At the same time, for any work above 1.8 meter, fall protection and fall arrest system must be implemented. Here in the situation, we can see that our construction team removed the big heavy shutters approximately 1 ton each, and then they stack them very close to the edges of the excavation at some points 1.5 feet only. And also the height of the stacking is exceeding the height of the barrier, reaching to the 7 feet. At the same time, carpenters are doing some fixing work on the top of the shutters without any fall protection or fall arrest system. So this situation is posing serious fall hazard, excavation collapse, material collapse, and also serious non-compliance. Location is area 2. Consequences, suspected collapse of the material into the excavation, and then collapse of the excavation wall or big chunk of the stone or the part of the wall due to extra pressure, and also at the same time fall of the worker. These may result into even multi-fatality incident or serious injuries or disabilities. Also, it is a case of very serious non-compliance, and NCR is suspected anytime. Action taken, safety team immediately removed the worker from the top and reported the issue and notified the area in charge to restrict any access to the specific location, and then implement the safe work procedures effectively. Relocate the shutters to the safe location safely, and mandate the use of full body harness for any work above 1.8 meters. For the teams involved, trainings were recommended on work at height and fall protection, excavation safety, and safe work method statement. All the actions are ongoing, so the status of this observation is open, but safety team is frequently following up and monitoring the situation. At the same time, as it is very serious observation, so it is reported as a near miss. So a comprehensive action plan is implemented to ensure to prevent the recurrence in the future. Now, beyond noting these observations, one should have a very good idea that these observations are very powerful tool in HSE management. Basically, these observations are our complete track record of past, present, and future performance history. These observations help us in identifying the root causes if we face any significant or persistent deviation or problem in our system. At the same time, these observations guide us toward the corrective actions if there are any minor changes, deviations in our system, so that to ensure that our systems are always consistent and sustainable. So, as a safety professional, it is very important for you to develop your skills in taking observations of the professional level. So, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.